In this video, we are diving into Unreal Card Magic by Ellusionist and Studio52. Stick around to the end of the video for a discount code which you can use with this. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year! It's taken me a while to upload this first video for 2024. Because on the first week of the new year, I got COVID. Yes, COVID is still around. Anyway, let's move into what you get with Unreal Card Magic. The set comes in this really nice hard box. It says Ellusionist and Studio52 on the side. There are some ad copy on the back. This side says The Ultimate Guide to Powerful Card Magic. Opening the box, you see the wood hand art piece. The bottom of the hand is magnetic that attracts to the wooden base, turning the whole setup into a display art piece. Under that, we get a wooden base, which has Unreal engraved on one side. Inside the base is the WTF book. You also get a card with a code, which lets you claim the tutorial videos on the Ellusionist website. Then you get 2 decks of premium Tally-Ho Signature Series playing cards. Now let's talk about the main content of the kit, the instructional videos. As per the ad copy, you will learn everything from the basic handling moves to the top 19 techniques in card magic, plus 12 effects. The tutorials are taught by Benjamin Earl. You will receive several videos totaling approximately 10 hours. The basic handling moves video runs for approximately 1 hour and 40 minutes. The videos for Unreal Card Magic assumes zero card magic knowledge. You will start from the foundations like how to hold the deck, spreads, squaring the deck, to fans and flourishes. The next video is the card technique video, which runs for 4 hours and 11 minutes. You will learn how to have someone select a card, how to hold and maintain the break, how to control a card, things like the double lift, top palms, culls, pass, and many more. The instructions are well structured, well filmed, and easy to follow. The basics are taught well. Even intermediate card magicians can find ways to improve their basics. Ben also teaches you 12 effects, which the videos total over 5 hours. According to the ad copy, you will learn 12 effects that creates the most impact and are the easiest to perform. This of course is subjective. Although this kit is aimed at beginners, the effects taught are not self-working. There are no dealing piles of cards onto the table or thought of 3 robbers entering a building. You will need to practice these effects. The effects are simple yet powerful though. Ben also explains the theory behind the magic and all the nuances and routining. You will not only learn how to do it, but why you do it and why it works. All effects are impromptu and do not use a table. However, most of the effects fall into the transformation or transposition category. Many of the effects are quite similar in method and technique, just that Ben presents each of the effects very differently. The WTF booklet contains a collection of secrets and heuristics, basically Ben's thoughts and theories, which cover structure, psychology, and use of technique, some of which Ben has mentioned in the tutorial videos as well. This project could definitely be offered as a download, as it does not contain any gimmicks needed for any of the effects. Unreal Card Magic is purely sleight of hand, unlike the other kits like How to Read Minds offered by Ellusionist. I understand why Ellusionist wants to make this a physical product. It is targeted at someone that is new to magic, so getting something physical like decks of cards are important. Or buyers might want to give this to a new magician. For me, I don't really care for the art piece hand. It is not a one-of-a-kind piece, and there is something very similar from IKEA. And I'm sure you can find it from many other places if you wanted to. At most, it is just something to post on social media. The playing cards I understand, as you want to get into the material immediately. The extra physical items may seem unnecessary. I feel like eliminating some of the physical items could potentially reduce the kit's price and the size of the box, benefiting international buyers like me who want to support projects like this, but will have to incur higher customs duties and increased shipping costs. For those beginning in their card magic journey, or now your primary resource for learning card magic is YouTube, then yes, this is an excellent resource. You get Benjamin Earl as your teacher right off the bat, and you don't have to wade through all the other resources available on the market. For current magicians like me, The real value here is Ben Earl's teaching, with all of Benjamin's tips on theory, psychology, movement, naturalness, misdirection. You will take whatever you know now and take it to the next level. Even how to hold a card, isolating it in a certain space. Whether the spectator holds the card with their thumbs up or thumbs down. Ben goes into all these nuances. The videos did give me some insight to improve on my card magic and card techniques. You will watch these videos many times over throughout your card magic journey. Your top change will improve. Although the ad copy says that this kit is for people with zero magic knowledge, I feel that you need to have some basic knowledge of card magic to fully appreciate what Ben is saying. For example, you need to know what a top change is to fully appreciate why Ben's top change is so good and why Ben does the top change this way. As for the effects, if you have been in Magic for some time, you most likely are familiar with the effects or have performed some variations of them. Like I mentioned, many are transformation or transposition effects. I feel like the effects do not offer as much variety compared to something like, say, Born to Perform by Oz Perlman. What you'll be getting is Ben's take on these classic plots and effects and his explanations on the psychology and nuances. Now, you might not get as much out of this kit if you are already familiar with Ben Earl's past work or have his books. Or for example, you are already subscribed to his family subscription. I really do like the tutorial videos and the information provided, and Ben Earl's teaching. The wooden hand, not so much. This currently retails for $149 on Ellusionist. It is a little on the pricey side, but you can use the code below for 10% off your entire order. Not just for the Unreal Card Magic, but for anything you order on the Ellusionist website. It also helps the channel out. I'll leave a link in the description below. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Check out the other reviews on my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.